Hey everyone, welcome back. Did FC Mobile stop working right after you updated your iPhone to a new iOS version? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with graphic heavy apps like FC Mobile, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After restarting, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right. Scroll down and look for FC Mobile in the list of available updates, since EA typically pushes iOS compatibility patches quickly after major Apple releases. Tap Update immediately if one is showing. If there is no update yet and FC Mobile is still broken, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Scroll down to the list of apps and find FC Mobile. Tap on it, then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for FC Mobile, and then reinstall it fresh from the App Store to get a clean build for your current iOS. So all you've got to do is restart your iPhone, check the App Store for an FC Mobile update, offload and reinstall if needed. FC Mobile works on your new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.